I certainly took a lot of pride in it then, and I do now, of the amount of people that'll say, oh, I had this thing for 10 years or 15 years, and it's still going. And that's really what OWC is about. Why should people trust an OWC product? Quality control is something that we're always really focused on at OWC. We spend an inordinate amount of time making sure that everything from the design, the build, anything and everything, that it's going to stand the test of time.
Anybody can put a bunch of chips in a box, but ensuring that product, that solution, whether it's a drive, whether it's a memory upgrade, a dock, doesn't matter what it is, ensuring that product is actually going to work for the customer's need in the customer's application. There's a lot more that goes into it than just, we think these chips are compatible. I mean, everything goes through literally hours and hours and hours of ongoing development testing.
I lead the majority of the testing in our Woodstock campus here. We basically receive product in shipment-wise. We take it fully apart, disassemble it to its bare components so we can document it all, take pictures of it all, verify it is correct, what it's supposed to be. And then we run it through its paces to ensure it tests well, that it functions well, that there's no problems, that quality is what you could expect from OWC.
Our development process is all about not just what we are intending to create, but also how it's going to get used. And so we kind of do that use and abuse.
My current role is the manager of product development. Basically, our goal is if we can't break it, the customer can't break it.
And then we run these long burn-in tests to make sure that all of the drives are going to be reliable, not just for the 3-5 year warranty, but well beyond that.
So this is one of our workstations where we can burn in either Thunderblades or Excelsior 4M2s. We will assemble the unit, and then we'll run the software production script, which will basically format the drive in a RAID 0, test every single bit of the drive, and then it'll create the RAID that the customer sees when they first plug it in. The purpose of this is to ensure that when a customer gets one of our solutions, that it just works. What we have here, currently it's a wall of Thunderbay 43s. These go through the same software testing process that was on the Thunderblades in there. Every one of these is going to a customer who's going to rely on these things. We use our own gear to certify our own gear. These are Thunderbay 83s. What their main purpose basically is, for every Jupiter or every Jellyfish that goes out, every single drive that goes in them goes through a full software certification process. It's kind of annoying when something fails here, but I would rather it fail here than fail when a customer is, recording a video or editing something where it's like mission critical.
We will fully test any sample product, prototype product, etc. through the various Mac hardwares, Mac softwares, and even PC as well. But it's not just your standard desktops, laptops, but it's also tablets as well. For all of our testing, we have a huge selection of Mac computers to ensure it functions well on all compatible Macintosh products. Every new Mac OS release, we run all of our products through that. Every new M1 chip, M1 Max, M1 Ultra, and now the M2 chips, we test all of our products on that to verify 100% compatibility.
There's a ton of things that can go wrong in manufacturing today, especially with the supply chain the way it is, and ensuring that what we have manufactured is still meeting the qualifications of what was supposed to come off the line is a really big deal. We kind of operate on the philosophy that we have a solution delivered to the customer and it's got to work. If there's an issue happening behind the scenes, that's our problem to deal with. That's something we take care of. We ensure that any kind of issue, any kind of compatibility, any kind of thing that Apple throws at us, in terms of OS updates and software compatibilities, we're here to make sure that if there is an issue, it doesn't become our customer's issue. When you choose an OWC solution, the reliability is the absolute ultimate priority.